Where did you go? I'm lost without you. Hearts now ache since distance grew. Nights are long, every moment's blue. All in our world and roads too. Let your eyes with a certain view. I need phrase.
Guy. Guy. Hey, Guy. We got trouble.
Do I know them?
Nah, I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Come here, where you going? Huh? What?
No.
What's the matter?
Mind taking your hand out of my girl's snatch there, pal?
Just having a little bit of fun.
Don't look like she's having as much fun as you.
I want to get some fresh meat in here. This one's a little ripe.
Come on, you're all right. Breathe in. Breathe in, that's it. Come on, you're okay. Fuck her. Now you're gonna apologize to the lady here.
Fuck you and fuck her too.
Started to say something?
All right. I'm sorry. Yo, guys, come on, let's go.
Now, you and your friends, get out of my club and don't come back. Fuck you. We're gonna get you back.
Pieces of shit.
You okay?
They're lucky you didn't beat the crap out of them.
They're not worth the effort.
From what Bebop says, you used to take on twice as many assholes when you were young.
Well, if it wasn't for Bebop, I'd still be one of those assholes.
I missed something.
Always. Where were you?
I was in the bathroom.
Do me a favor, make sure those chocolates don't get back in here.
Right.
Thank you so much. Good job. Good job.
Denise, great job. I'll see you tomorrow night.
Thanks, Guy.
Baby, you gotta do better tomorrow night.
Not tomorrow. I owe the sitter for 3 nights already.
Oh yeah, how's your boy doing? Is he okay?
Yeah. He's great.
Hey, does he still like playing that toy piano that I got for his birthday?
God, Richie loves that thing. He plays it constantly.
Yeah, good.
Guy, please. I've been sucking out there.
Pay the sitter. Stay home with your kid. Go to the park or something. I'll see you Friday.
How much did you give her this time?
Angie, stop. It's just a few extra bucks.
A few hundred extra.
Like I never gave you money.
I'm different. You love me. You're a sucker.
Yeah? Why?
Because she comes in, gives you this little sob story, and you ate it right up.
Oh, really?
You're her white knight.
I ain't nobody's white knight. I'm a boss. And if she ain't earned it, I ain't earned it.
You're a bullshitter.
Am I taking you home tonight?
What do you think?
Bruiser, get the car.
No, I'm leaving right now. We're locking up. All right.
I've walked this road
Have a good night, guy.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Damn.
Really? You have to do that now?
It ain't nothing you ain't seen before.
Yeah, not lately.
Fuck it! I told you guys to get loose.
Who fucking you jerk off?
Get out of here.
Better watch your back, asshole.
Fucking
Been a
leave.
life-changing decision.
Motherfucker. Fuck, come on, dickhead. Real tough guys. Who the fuck is that? Really?
Guys, all right?
Where's Angel?
She's in the car. She's all right. Get rid of this. Got it. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just clipped my arm a little.
We should go get an X-ray, man.
Nah, it's all right. Yo, it reminds me of you back in the day. Remember you used to patch me up before my next round?
Yeah, but you weren't getting hit that much then. Come on, let's get ice. Come on.
You all right?
Yeah,
Time tomorrow.
about 11 o'clock.
All right, I got you.
Come on, boo, come inside. Guy, come on!
I'm sorry.
What's with you? You don't touch me, you don't kiss me, and you never want to fuck me.
Well, you riding a country song?
Screw you, Guy.
Angel. Angel. Angel, I'm sorry.
The hell you are.
Oh, come on, Angel. Somebody tried to kill me tonight.
You should be used to it by now.
All right, so we gotta go to this bagel place.
We gotta go see him 2 bits again.
Yeah, 2 bits will be there. That'll be good to see him. And the club.
What do you think about doing?
I gotta get out of that place. It's just, I don't feel it anymore.
You gotta take me with you, right?
Hey, man, more than welcome. Come with me everywhere I go, anyways.
Yeah, I sure
Yeah,
do.
but you're never around.
Yeah, but
You're like the worst bodyguard. Every time something happens.
I'm always there when it really counts over here, brother. Let's be honest.
It's all right. Why are you going this way?
Tired of the same old view. That's all.
Yeah. I guess. Brother, stop the car. Pull over here. Pull over there. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Hold on for a second. I gotta let you get this piece out.
me a favor. Get me a bagel.
You want a coffee too?
Nah, just a bagel.
Hey, Skyler. How's it go?
Easy, tough guy.
Animal, relax, all right?
Everybody gets this.
Are you kidding? Is he kidding?
Go see what's taking so long to the order.
What is it with this guy? He treats me like a mameluke.
Maybe you shouldn't have pissed on his lap when he was Santa Claus.
Christ, I was 5 years old.
Don't have a connection. How's my little angel?
Good, she's sleeping. What?
I'm just trying to picture what you guys talk about. You know, after.
We talk.
About what? She's half your age.
And you're 3 times hers.
She'd never pass the Ben Gazzara test, I'll tell you that right now.
The what?
Ask who Ben Gazzara is. If she don't know, she's too young for you.
Listen, nobody knows who Ben Gazzara is anymore.
You know, that's a shame because he was a great actor.
What if you really like her?
I mean, what if you really want to bang her?
Yeah.
Then tell her who Ben Gazzara is.
Fucking weasel ducked into the kitchen when I got there.
Weasel. Thinks by giving me all this cream cheese, I'm gonna forget about the 15 grand he owes me.
You? Forget about money?
Yeah, have some.
Well, look at you. You're always taking care of me.
Hey, I'm not a gabone. All I want is what's owed me. Nothing more, nothing less. Speaking of O,
Oh. Yeah.
hey, Animal said you had a little problem at the club last night.
Nah, it was nothing.
What do you look like?
Just dirty-ish, bald. He had tattoos all over, especially his head, and he's got these big gold chains. You know?
I don't know, maybe.
We'll come by the club. I'm sure we got a video of him.
What?
I drove past this lounge.
So,
Well, I mean, it looks like it's been closed for a while. Do you know it?
no.
It's on Asbury Avenue.
Why should I know it?
We got a piece of every club in this neighborhood. I mean, open or closed.
Not that one. The owner was shot, killed, opening night.
So you do know.
Yeah.
Yeah, who owns it?
You talked to Buddy lately?
No. Why?
I heard he was back.
You heard or you know?
He's still your brother.
He's a loser.
Cut him some slack. You know why he had to leave.
So everybody keeps telling me.
Yeah, you're doing all right now.
If you call living with the traumatic brain injury all right, yeah, then I'm doing great.
Not that great.
So 1 lean week, so shoot me.
Guy, it's been 4 lean weeks then.
4 weeks? Are you sure?
You know, it's time to make a change.
What kind of change?
Let my girls work the club.
No, you said I could run it clean.
Clean don't pay the bills, guy. Men like dirty. The more dirt you give them, the more money they give you, and you give me. Capiche?
I'm gonna open up my own club.
It is what it is.
For now.
Hey, I bet your Angel thinks that the French Connection's a sex position.
Hello?
Hi, is this Guy?
Yes, it is. This is Guy.
My name is Grace. I'm from Avalon Commercial Property.
Oh? Commercial properties?
I got word you might be interested in one of my properties. A club.
Yeah, who told you that?
Some friends. We keep an eye out for each other. Are you still interested?
Yeah, I'm interested.
Great. Can we meet there?
Sure, when?
In an hour?
Yeah, an hour's fine.
I'll see you there. Bye, Guy.
All right, thanks. I'll see you then. That's after the show.
He's saving his eye.
So it was amazing. You know, I'm looking at this club. The next thing you know, I'm walking around inside. And I felt something I haven't felt in a long time.
Like angels with JJ.
Nah, I felt like I belonged there. You know, like I was finally home.
Good for you, Guy. After all the crap that you've been through, you deserve this. Good for you.
Black, me?
Sorry, hon, we don't carry that shit.
What kind of shit show you running here, Guy?
Bits! You don't come around here no more.
You don't come around here no more because you don't own this club anymore.
Like what you did down there, Guy.
Yeah, something a little different.
What's up with the old man music, though?
It's got music. Gives the place a bit of class, you know? Man can sit back, relax, have a drink, and enjoy the show.
So all you got? I knew you would.
You hear what happened to Guy? Someone tried to kill him in the parking lot.
Yeah, they keep trying. It's not working.
Let me tell you, Guy was a tough fucker as a kid.
Let's, please, don't.
Nobody would go near him when he was sober, let alone when he got tight. You need a crew to back you up.
I can believe that. You ever in a gang?
From Brooklyn, you couldn't walk 2 blocks without walking into somebody else's territory.
You ever go around shooting each other?
Fuck no. We were men back then. We used our fists, broken bottles, maybe a 2x4 with some nails in it. Never a gun.
Well, sometimes you used a gun.
Okay, sometimes.
What Bitch is trying to say is, I'm back in the good old days.
Hey, either one of you know who Ben Gazzara is?
Huh? Who?
All right, Romeo, that's enough. I gotta show you something.
You miss it? The fighting?
I don't think about it.
You were great.
Yeah, sure.
Remember that day in St. Mary's schoolyard? Those kids beating up on your brother?
What else is no?
You ran over to help? It was a bloody massacre.
It was 6 against 1. What'd you expect?
I mean, what you did to them. That's when I knew you were gonna be great. You were gonna be somebody.
Yeah, except I was a somebody I didn't want to be.
You still going on about that nightclub?
Bitch, come on, look at me.
Goddamn right. Look at you. You were in a coma for over 2 years. Nobody, and I mean nobody, thought you were gonna wake up and walk out of that hospital.
Wow, that's what I've been doing my whole life. You know, I've been getting back up after I've been knocked down. You know, that one took a while. I still ain't ever lost a fight.
Amen to that.
Yeah, I pulled this off the house camera.
Oh, Christ.
What?
You know who that is? That's Chop Shop's kid brother.
Should I know him?
You better, because cars ain't the only thing he cuts up in his garage. Oh, shit. Now I gotta go to fucking Keensburg.
I'll go.
And do what?
I'll tell him what happened.
Oh, you Stones, you're under my protection.
Hey, he assaulted one of my girls.
Yeah, you're a real stand-up guy. You never did anything wrong.
I like to keep a clear conscience.
Yeah, except maybe when it comes to women.
What's that mean?
Never mind. Just make sure you bring something besides your reputation to bargain with.